uh, securitization and reconstruction of financial asset, enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002. Seriya? Now, question number 1. To whom this act is applicable? Sai.
Yes, sir.
To whom this act is applicable?
Sir, for scheduled commercial banks
Mm.
and then NBFCs
Mm.
with asset size of 500 crores, sir.
Mm. So, for banks and NBFCs having 500 crores size. Next,
Yes, sir.
when you can use this SARFAESI? When?
Sir, in case that NPA, any asset NPA treated as NPA cannot be recovered, and then generally if the asset cannot be attached, if the property cannot be,
எனக்கு புரியல.
Amount is more than 1 crore. Amount is more than 1 crore.
Yeah.
For NKC alone.
For NPA, you can use this SARFAESI.
yes, sir.
For NBFC people, if the debt amount is more than 1 crore only, they can use this.
SARFAESI.
Okay, what are the two types of SARFAESI companies?
Sir, securitization company and reconstruction company, sir.
Okay, Rajeshwari, you tell me. Rajeshwari?
Hello, sir.
Okay, to start a SARFAESI company, okay, what permission I require? Hello.
RBI license.
RBI license,
Then SARFAESI, under
SARFAESI license,
SARFAESI company.
then
The special purpose vehicle.
no money. Simple ma, I should start a company, sir. Okay, then I should get RBI permission. Then I should get SARFAESI license.
SARFAESI
Yeah.
license.
Because see, RBI permission ஏன் வேணும்?
Not NBFC company.
Exactly, that's all. Okay, yeah. Now how much net owned funds I should have?
100 crores.
100 crores. Okay.
500 crores.
Okay. Then what are the functions I can do?
Sir?
What are the functions I can do as SARFAESI company?
One I can run the company.
La. See, you can do a recovery agent for the banks. You can be a recovery agent. Then you can be a manager of assets for the banks. புரிஞ்சுதா? Secured assets நிறைய இருக்கும்ல, that you can manage. Okay. Then if you are going to buy assets of the banks, what you will give them? Harini, if I am going to take over some NPAs from the banks, the bank will in turn require dash from me.
Securities.
Yeah, securities. Okay, they will actually receive some 20% money. Balance amount I will give them securities. Who will finance the SARFAESI company? QIBs, qualified institutional buyers. Why they should finance me?
Because the QIB will get the dividend
Interest actually.
and interest.
Interest. They will actually give debt only to the company. Okay. Debt கொடுப்பாங்க, கடன் கொடுப்பாங்க. See, I will tell you what will happen. If you start a company, if that company become bankrupt, you will be giving some securities to the bankers. If the bankers can't realize on themselves, they will sell the security to SARFAESI company. SARFAESI company will pay 20% to me and take over you. And they will try to recover you. Once they recover, they will pay me the balance. Understood? This is what will happen basically. Next, when an asset becomes non-performing?
When the principal and interest amount is due for more than 90 days.
Exactly. Then
And technical NPA is also possible when other factors like sanction is not renewed and valuation is not approved.
yeah. So it's a NPS sort of conditions you have to see. Okay, what is the process of securitization? Raghavi.
What is the
Okay, you go for mute. Raghavi, you tell me what is the process of securitization?
So the process of SPV taking over the financial assets of banks is called as securitization.
Okay.
These asset reconstruction companies are funded by QIBs directly. These
Okay.
QIBs may be foreign companies. So through securitization, banks are now able to realize their debt quickly rather than their fund being stuck in such NPS.
Okay. Now tell me the process. First an asset becomes NPA, then you notice within 60 days they have to give the money. Otherwise, they will take over the
Then
assets.
They have to give the money. Otherwise, these banks can attach their property with the permission of district magistrate.
Okay.
Further, the buyer, the defaulting borrower, he can also raise his concern or any objection, which the bank has to reply within 15 days.
Where they can go for
For
appeals.
that, they have to deposit 25%, right?
20
Yeah,
appeal
that's
in case of appeal. No, that is if they want additional time.
Exactly.
If they want additional, if they want additional time, then they can go to DRT.
Yeah, DRT, debt recovery tribunal.
DRT and ask for additional time, but such additional time they given only after they deposit 25%.
Yeah.
And if they want to go for appeal, they can also go for appeal by depositing at least 50% and giving an undertaking that they will pay the balance.
Okay. The financial asset can be any mortgage pledge, secured or unsecured.
Financial interest in the property, it may be also future asset. Also, financial interest in.
Okay, next. Okay, leave it.
Immovable lien.
Okay, podum. What is asset reconstruction?
Asset reconstruction is a type of special purpose vehicle whereby asset reconstruction, securitization, they try to revive the company by changing its management. They do not try to, although their intention is not to run the management, but they will try to make certain changes.
See, I will tell you. See, in securitization company, they will take over only the particular assets. But in asset reconstruction, they will take over the entire company.
Entire company.
Okay, going concern update, they will take it. And they will sell it to another company. For example, you are in a shipping port type of companies. Okay, they will take over your company. If you have taken borrowings from the banks and if you have not repaid, that entire shipping port they will take over. And they will sell it to another port company. Can you understand? They will sell or lease the business.
They may change the management. There's also one point, if the lending bank has converted more than 51% of its loan as equity, then they can easily change the management with the permission of RBI.
Exactly. Then, what is securities interest enforcement?
Securitization enforcement, whereby the bank sends notice to the defaulting borrower, and the defaulting borrower has to repay the whole amount within 60 days. He can raise objection, and such objection to be responded within 15 days. And then same thing, sir, the 25% he has to deposit, and if he wants additional time he can get, and also he can go for appeal by depositing 50%.
Okay.
Otherwise, the property will get attached.
Will attach.
Okay, see, whenever you take a loan, they will register MOD. Okay, there's something called Memorandum of Title Deeds. Under which law they will register as per for banks? There is something called CERSAI, Central Registry.
CERSAI. Okay.
Okay, அதனால தான் Memorandum of Deposit of Title Deeds சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay.
Sir, CERSAI full form, sir.
Central Registry.
Okay, sir.
They have details of all the assets. See, if you pledge one assets with one bank and the bank registered your charge, if the same assets if you are pledging with another bank, okay, they will be knowing that easy ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, என்கம்பரன்ஸ் சர்டிஃபிகேட்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அது மாதிரி.
சர்வே நம்பர் கூட ஏதோ கொடுக்கும்.
சர்வே நம்பர் சார், அந்த லேண்டுக்கான நம்பர் பேர் சர்வே நம்பர்.
அதான் அதை வச்சு ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணலாம்.
ஆமா, என்கம்பரன்ஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க அதை.
ஓகே.
What are the assets on which SARFAESI will not be applicable?
The vessels, aircrafts, agricultural land, and if the amount outstanding is up to 1 lakh.
Less than 20%.
20% of the principal.
Loan amount charge.
Yeah. When I will cancel the Sarfazi company's license?
Sir, when the QIB did not
Stocks funding.
contribute,
Stocks funding.
Sponsoring.
did not contribute, and then RBI can cancel, sir.
RBI rules and regulations, if you have not maintained, you are not maintained Sarfazi rules.
And then it ceases to carry on the business.
Okay. So these are the important things. Okay. So tomorrow we will see FCRA and day after tomorrow arbitration. Okay.
Sir, the old syllabus கிடையாது sir.
கிடையாது old syllabus கிடையாது. Okay, for new syllabus people only. FCRA arbitration. சரியா?
Sir, can we see arbitration first because sequence arbitration?
சரி, okay. First you will complete arbitration. Tomorrow arbitration. Okay, I will ask you, you have to tell the answer. Harini, you have to shift your device, Harini, because always whenever you are on, no, பயங்கர சவுண்டா இருக்கு. Okay, நீ நாளைக்கு நீ இல்ல ஜெனரலா லேப்டாப்ல வரியா ஃபோன்ல வரியா?
Laptop.
நீ ஃபோன்ல வா நாளைக்கு. Phone with headphones. Okay.
Okay.
Phonesல ஜெனரலா சவுண்ட் வராது, லேப்டாப்ல மேபி சவுண்ட் வரும். அதனால ஹெட்ஃபோன்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடு பேசிக்கலி.
சின்ன ஒரு ரெண்டு மூணு சின்ன பேசிக் டவுட்ஸ் சார்.
சொல்லுமா.
சார் அந்த டைம் பேட் டெப்ட் அப்படினு சொல்றீங்க இல்லையா சார், அது சின்ன ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க.
3 years if I didn't ask you the debt alone, then it's called time bar debt.
அதுக்கு அப்புறம் அது NPA மாறினதுன்னா அதுக்கு அப்புறம் அது வந்து
See, banksக்குலாம் time bar debtலாம் கிடையவே கிடையாது. For you and me, if you are a creditor and I am a debtor, if you are not asking me money, then it will become time bar debt.
Contract.
Banksக்குலாம் time bar debt கிடையாது.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து guarantee can be enforced னு சொல்றீங்க. guarantee என்ன enforce பண்ண முடியும்?
See, if you have taken loan from me and Rajeshwari has given guarantee for your loan, you may go for moratorium, but Rajeshwari cannot escape from me. I can enforce guarantee. நான் ராஜேஸ்வரி காசு கட்ட சொல்லுவேன்.
நம்ம இதுல படிச்சோம் moratorium
ஆமா
period.
அது வந்துட்டு சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட்ல ஸ்டே வாங்கிட்டாங்க. they told like no, என்ன மெயின் பிரின்சிபல் டேட்டாரே கேரண்டி இது moratorium இருக்கும்போது I also need moratorium சொல்லி ராஜேஸ்வரி காட் ஸ்டே. அதுக்கெல்லாம் கேஸ் லாஸ் இருக்கு.
ஓகே சார். அப்புறம் வந்து அக்கவுண்டிங் framework is more important than legal framework.
ஆமா, சர்ஃபாசியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் சர்ஃபாசி ஆக்ட் இஸ் நோ above everything. சோ லீகலா போய் கோர்ட்ல போய் கேஸ் போட்டு ஸ்டே வாங்க முடியாது. சோ accounting framework is not much important in Sarfazi. Legal is not important in Sarfazi because Sarfazi is the peak. Okay, it is like no non-obstante mari, notwithstanding anything. So accounting da matter in me.
ஓகே சார். அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த குவாலிஃபைட் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷனல் பையர்ஸ் சொல்றேன் இல்லையா சார், அவ வந்து டிபெஞ்சர்ஸ் பாண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இவால்வ் இந்த ஸ்பெஷல் பர்பஸ் வெஹிக்கிள் அவால்வ் கொடுப்பாளா சார்?
SPC, for example, if you are QAB, I am a SPV, I am a special purpose vehicle, I am a Sarfazi company. I have to take over the loan from the bank. For example, bankla and the borrower, say Saikiran is the borrower, okay, he has pledged his assets and took a loan of say 1000 crores.
Okay sir.
Now I am a Sarfazi company. Saikiran is a thermal power company.
Okay sir.
He has taken 1000 crores from the bank. He becomes NPA today. So what I will do, I am a QAB, it means like I am a Sarfazi company, you are my QAB. So I will ask QABs to sponsor me. நீங்க எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, ஒரு 300 crores 400 crores ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ணுவீங்க. நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன், அந்த 300 crores கொடுத்துட்டு I will take over 1000 crores worth of assets. அந்த தெர்மல் பவர் ஸ்டேஷன் எடுத்துட்டு ஹரிணி இன்ட்டு ஒரு பொண்ணு வந்து ஆல்ரெடி they are into thermal power like டாடா பவர் அதானி பவர் இருக்காங்கல்ல, அவங்க கிட்ட நான் வந்து லீஸ் கொடுவேன். Okay, and I will collect the money and I will take 2% 3% commission and I will give the balance to the bank.
Okay sir. இந்த QAB
க்கு நான் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கொடுப்பேன்ல,
higher rates.
I will give interest to QABs.
plus இந்த amount கொடுப்பேன்.
Whenever this asset is getting sold, for example, Adani Power tomorrow they are buying this entire asset, then I will sell it to Adani Power and I will reimburse you.
In between அந்த bond எல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது paper documents ஆ இருக்கு.
Yeah, it's a paper document only. Subprime crisis itself is like this only. ஒரு bond pledge பண்ணி see already is not paying that loan, I am converting that into a bond. Again see America என்ன பண்றது, லோனுக்கு லோன்.
Yes sir, correct.
Yes sir.
Okay sir. So இந்த ஸ்பெஷல் பர்பஸ் வெஹிக்கிள் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர்ல படிக்கிற
See, special purpose vehicle means they cannot do anything else other than this. The only purpose for which it started is this. That's called special purpose. Special purpose vehicle na ஒண்ணும் இல்லமா, நீ என்ன நினைச்சீங்க சார் அது என்ன 3 வீலரா சார் இப்படி அப்படி இல்ல. Special purpose vehicle means for the specific purpose they started. That's called special purpose vehicle. That's all.
அப்படி இல்ல சார், ரீகன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் கம்பெனிக்கும் என்ன
அம்மா ஐயோ அது பேர் சொல்லுமா
ரீகன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் கம்பெனி அப்படிங்கிறது தனியா? ஓகே சார்,
அது ஒரு கம்பெனிமா, அவ்வளோதான்மா, சிம்பிள். அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, சும்மா பேஜுக்கு சொல்லுவோம் ஸ்பெஷல் பர்பஸ் வெஹிக்கிள்ன்ட்டு. ஓகே ஓகே, see you tomorrow, bye.
Okay.
Yeah, good night.